Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions, and no one seems to understand gears in your DCT470 Mitsubishi SST transmission like we do. Okay, so we went through a process here with the Mitsubishi Ralliart and the EVO MR, where we noticed that the Ralliart has a taller ratio for 5th and 6th gear, where the MR is shorter. So we're thinking, well, with software updates and progress of this platform, we could swap gears from one car to another without a problem now. So we want to come out with the option of swapping gears in your build that you ship us. So for example, if you have an EVO MR and you want to have a slightly taller 5th and 6th gear, we can go ahead and do that for you while it's here. So that's an option for you. If you have a Ralliart, we know a couple of Ralliarts that race the Pikes Peak hill climb and stuff. So since they race it a lot, maybe the shorter 5th and 6th gear from the MR is more attractive. So depending on which way you want to go, we'd like to give you guys the option of upgrading your gear set to better fit your needs. The tags on the top of your trans will actually tell you what the gear ratio is. So if you look at the tag on the top of your trans and it says 12A, you have the Ralliart trans, so you have the slightly longer 5th and 6th gear. If you have 11A, that's the MR trans that has the shorter 5th and 6th gear. That's it. So what we decided to do was put both an MR and a Ralliart trans in our short-term test vehicle here, and I videoed the speed. And this is what we got. Okay, so 12A, good baseline is 4th is the same across the board. So 4th gear, 3,000 RPM, we're doing 40 miles an hour. Now let's do 5th at 3,000 RPM. Here we go, 3,000 and 5th, a little over 50 miles an hour, so we're looking at 52. Now we're going to go to 6th. There we go, 6th at 3,000 RPM, we're just a touch over 70 miles an hour. Here we go, 11A trans, this is MR. At 40 miles an hour, 3,000 RPM, so that's our baseline. Now we're in 5th. 3,000 RPM, just about there. So we're right at basically 50. Now we're in 6th. 3,000 RPM. We're looking at just shy of 70 right there. So unfortunately, that's pretty disappointing. It looks like 3-4 mile an hour difference there. Of course, camera angle, RPM and stuff might be a little off there. We crunched some numbers on the ratios that we could find on the gear set from Mitsubishi, and it looks like we have about a 7% gear ratio difference between the two models. So, you know, is it worth it to you to go 7% taller in the MR or 7% shorter in a Ralliart? I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe that's a big difference for you. But we're now offering it. Again, it doesn't look like much, but in the description, I'll put the ratios in there. If it is something you're interested in, let me know. While we have your trans apart for rebuild here, everything's torn apart anyway. We got to do synchros and stuff. We have a huge inventory of gears here. We'll be able to keep the inventory up and give everybody the option they want. So at Jack's Transmissions, we're always trying to find unique ways to give you the product that better fits your needs. And I'm hoping that this option is something worth pursuing. Thanks for watching.